kids, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and strong. Remember me? Yes, I am your Jalpa ma'am and today I am going to teach you English. Before I start, let me share a thought with you that life never stop learning because life never stop teaching. So, we will move to our learning process. Now, today we are going to learn singular, plural. singular singular and plural plural. Singular, plural. So singular means one, plural means many. Understood children? Singular means one and plural means many. Now let us see. A noun is singular when it means one person, one object or one place. For example, a boy, tiger, book, house. These are the words when it is in singular form. Now, we add s to some words to make them plural. In some words, we add s to make them plural. A noun is plural when it means more than one. We add s to boys. Like here it is boy, boys. Tiger, tiger. Tigers, tigers. Book, books. Books. House, houses. We have made this singular into plural form. Now we will see how we will change into es. Now we have to add es to some of the noun for making it plural. Add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, ss, x and z to get their plural forms. For more detail, we will see the activity which is here. Let's see the activity. Here we are going to see only the word with es. So let us see. First it is bus, bus, and if we add es, buses, bus, buses. Bus is singular and buses are in plural forms, means more than one bus. Now glass, glass, one glass. But if we add es, more than one glass is there, then we add es. So your answer is glass, glasses. If one watch is there, we write watch, watch. But if more than one, then we write watches, watches. If you have one dress, you say dress, dress. But if you have more than one dress, you say dresses, dresses. This is the plural form of dress. Tomato, 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 one tomato. But if we have many tomatoes, then tomatoes. If we have one box, box. But if we have more than one box, boxes. If we have one mango, mango. If we have more than one mango, then mangoes. More than one, mangoes. Fox, one fox. But if more than one fox are there, then foxes. Brush, more than one brush, brushes. Brushes. Potato, potatoes. Potatoes. Bench, one bench. But if we have more than one bench, then benches. Match, matches. match, matches. If we have one dish, dish dish. But if we have more dishes, then dishes dishes. More than one dishes. Now we will move to the another activity. Here, can you see this? Yes, in this we are going to add S. First one is CUP, cup. Here we have how many cup? Only one. Now we have to make it into plural from one to many. If we will change, here this is CUP, cup, CUPS, cups, and here we are having so many cups. So CUPS, cups. Here we can see many. So cup, CUPS, cups. One again. We are having only one pen. So we have written here PEN, pen. One pen, PEN, pen. Now we have to change into plural. So PENS, pens. We have changed into plural. PENS, pens. And here we are having so many pens. More than one pen. Now BOTTLE, bottle. We have one bottle. But if we will change into plural, so BOTTLES, bottles. And here we are having one bottle, but here bottles. We have added S to this. Now TREE, tree, for one tree only. But if we will change into plural, here TREES, trees, means more than one. Here we have one and here we have more than one trees. Apple, only one apple. But if we will change into plural, APPLES, we have added here S for more than one apple. BAT, bat, only one bat is here, so BAT, bat. But if we change into plural, BATS, we have added here S. Here you can see more than one bat. PENCIL, pencil, singular form. Only one pencil is here. But if we will change into plural, more than one pencils, PENCILS, pencils. And here you can see more than one pencils. So is it clear to you, children? Now we will do some more activity with this. Now children, this activity you have to do. Here you have to make plurals. You have to give the answer. Okay? You have to add here S. If you have one book, so it is BOOK, book. So how you will write the answer? Please write it in your notebook. BOOK, book, and the answer of book is BOOKS, books. If we have added S, so it is BOOKS, books, more than one. If you have one cow, COW, cow. But when we change into plural, it will be COW, we have to add S. COWS, cows. DOOR, door. If we add S, this will become DOORS, doors. STAR, star. So what we have to add here? S for more than one star. STARS, stars. TRAIN, train, one train. What we will add here? S. So it will become plural. TRAINS, trains. KITE, kite. And what we have to add? We have to add S. KITES, kites. Now we will see another example for this. Again you have to add here ES. First one is BOX, box. So what we will add? ES. Why? Because X is here. As we have studied before, X, CH, S or CH words, we have to add ES. So BOX, box, we have to add ES. BOX, ES, boxes. Now please give the answer for this. WATCH, watch. What we have to add? ES. Yes. WATCHES, watches. BUS, bus. We have to add ES, buses. FOX, fox. We have to add ES, foxes. DISH, dish, one dish. But if we add ES, more than one, So dishes. M-A-T-C-H, match. More than one match. Matches. M-A-T-C-H-E-S, matches. I hope student the topic is clear to you. Thank you.